Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanner 193 in League of Legends. So here's what you're going to do. The first thing you want to check is you want to go to search, type in device manager and open it. And once you're in here, you want to click on display adapters, depending on whatever your display adapter is. Double click on it, go to driver and then update driver, click here. And then search automatically, and it will like search for the newest driver that is available. But if you have like higher end GPU that it's not like integrated, you do this by going to the taskbar and then to NVIDIA or AMD like a program, and you will go to drivers, and then in here you want to click download on the latest driver, which came out like less than a month ago, and you simply download it and install it. After you've done that, you do the same for AMD also, obviously. After you've done that, you want to right click on Windows button, go to settings, go to installed apps, and in here type in Riot Vanguard, and you want to uninstall it fully and click yes. And after you uninstalled it, you want to close this out. You want to relaunch Riot Client. And after the client loads, you want to go to League of Legends. And then here it says update checking size, install Vanguard. You want to click on update and it will quickly install Vanguard. You want to allow it. After it installs, as you can see, it's done already. It says your game requires your system restart to play. Before you restart your PC, you want to do the next thing. You close this out, go back to search, type in run, and in run type in this services.msc. After this opens, you want to click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to double click on it. Startup tab, if you want to switch from manual to automatic, click apply and click start. And once this is done, you want to click OK, close this out. And the last thing you want to do before restart, you want to go to system configuration. So you type in system configuration and it will open this window. You want to go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC here. And you want to untick it and tick it back again just to make sure it will work properly when you restart your PC. And you simply click apply, OK. And it will ask you to restart your PC, and that's what you have to do. And after you restart your PC, your League of Legends should work properly and everything should be fine. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanner 193 in League of Legends. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.